What if I told you that some of the most exciting AI jobs right now don't require programming skills? You can help shape AI, guide its impact, and make decisions that drive innovation without ever touching a line of code. AI is everywhere, from automating business processes to generating content predicting customer behavior. It's transforming industries, and you can be at the center of it. And here's the exciting part. Non-technical professionals are stepping into AI roles faster than ever, because it's no longer confined just to engineers or computer scientists. Businesses of all sizes are adopting AI, and that means the ecosystem of roles is rapidly expanding. Fluency in AI is quickly becoming a power skill. Non-technical professionals, they're already stepping up to claim high-impact positions that shape how AI is implemented, communicated, and used responsibly. From understanding the landscape to exploring roles themselves, let's dive into exactly how non-technical professionals are carving out a space in AI. Take AI product managers, for example. This role blends vision, strategy, and execution. You're responsible for guiding AI projects from concept to launch. You spend time collaborating with engineers, designers, and stakeholders. Your business insight ensures that AI solves real problems. You're turning ideas into impact, and your coordination makes sure that it actually gets built and adopted. Once you see how product managers guide projects, it's easy to understand why organizations need AI strategists. It's about connecting the dots between technology, business goals, and market realities. From strategy to stories, your ability to make sense of AI outputs and communicate them effectively could make you indispensable as an AI data storyteller. And while storytellers translate insights, someone has to make sure that AI operates responsibly. That's where AI policy specialists come in and evaluate ethics, governance, compliance, and regulatory impact. You'll help companies deploy AI in ways that are safe, fair, and accountable. You don't just report insights, you drive decisions that matter and ensure that AI doesn't just work, but also works responsibly. Your judgment shapes AI in the world. On the other side of the spectrum, AI marketing strategists and content curators leverage AI to craft campaigns, analyze customer behavior, and produce high-quality content at scale. Your understanding of AI can amplify creativity, enabling more personalized and effective communication than ever before. Finally, these innovations only work if people actually use them. AI change management professionals ensure adoption is smooth, impactful, and human-centered. In this job, you work to guide teams through new workflows, help stakeholders understand AI's benefits, and make sure adoption drives measurable business outcomes. But what does a day actually look like for someone in one of these roles? Picture starting your morning reviewing AI-driven dashboards or insights. Maybe the model predicted trends, highlighted risks, or flagged opportunities. You dive in, interpret the results, and start translating those findings into decisions or communications that others can act on. Later, you might collaborate with cross-functional teams. Engineers, designers, analysts, and business leaders, they're all part of your ecosystem, and you're at the center of AI action. Together, you guide AI development, tweak priorities, or refine strategies. Afternoons might be spent building reports, crafting narratives, and updating policy recommendations. Depending on your job, you might run workshops to train your colleagues on how to use AI responsibly. Toward the end of the day, you're looking at the bigger picture again. Think tracking adoption, assessing impact, and planning next steps. Truth is, your insight can change decisions, products, and even industries. Seeing the daily flow makes it clear that a mix of business sense, analytical thinking, and strong communication is key. Even though you might not need to know how to code, you'll still need to understand AI's capabilities and limitations. A solid foundation in your chosen area is also the key to unlocking great non-technical jobs in AI. Now, knowing the skills is one thing. Getting your foot in the door is another. One solid starting point is with a degree. Whether it's business marketing, communications, or tech, you can develop a good foundation. Supplement that with AI or data courses for laser-focused credentials and knowledge. You might start at an entry-level role and work your way up or pivot into another position. Online programs and certifications, they're going to be helpful, not just now, but throughout your career in this rapidly evolving field. According to the PwC AI Jobs Barometer, demand for AI-adjacent roles is surging even outside technical teams. 66% growth. Non-technical roles are exploding. Are you ready? Start by building domain expertise, whether in business marketing, analytics, or policy. Your skills are the ticket to the AI revolution. Pair that with AI literacy, understand machine learning concepts, familiarize yourself with AI tools, and practice data visualization or interpretation. Internships, projects, or even small side experiments can showcase your ability to apply AI into practical contexts. As AI adoption grows, the need for skilled professionals who can bridge the gap between technology and business business, creativity, and ethics is skyrocketing. So whether you want to tell AI stories, guide strategy, shape policy, or manage adoption, your path is ready and waiting for you, and the demand is only growing.